welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this review video I am going to review Camlin's Artist Brush Pen and Camlin's Student Brush Pen. I am going to tell you what is the major difference between Camlin's Artist Brush Pen and the Student brand, and I will be showing you what are the advantages of using the Artist Brush Pen over the Student brand brush pen by using a lot of different parameters. So let's start the video and see how both of these pens perform. Before reviewing both the brush pens, let us talk about the pricing of both of these. So these are the Camlin Student brand brush pen, which is also affordable ones for beginners who are new into brush lettering. And these brush pens has 12 shades. This will cost you around 180 rupees to 200 rupees for one set of 12 brush pens. Whereas the Camlin Artist brush pens also comes in a shade of 12. And these will cost you around 360 to 400 rupees. That is like double the amount of the Student brand brush pen. Now after the pricing, let us discuss why and what is the major difference between the Artist brush pen and the Student brush pen. Coming to the Artist brush pen, when you see on the back side of the packaging, there are certain properties written of these brush pens. So first is that it's a pigment based inks, it's UV resistant, it's waterproof, it's permanent, it's acid free, it's light fast, it has light fast colors, and it has a soft and flexible tip. So here the thing which I want to point out is the permanency of the color, that the color doesn't fade away, and then the light fast color, that means whenever a color is light fast, that means it doesn't fade away, or the color's look doesn't change, or the shade doesn't change when it is exposed to the sunlight. So the color remain as it is what you are using it on a paper. Then second of all, the tip quality of this is way better than the tip quality of the Student brand brush pen. That is the advantage. And then you can use a lot of layering techniques when it comes to this, because the shade of these is very light, as I will show in the upcoming review. And then coming to the Student brush pen, these are very cheap and flexible, and the ink is like very dark and permanent. You can't use much of layering, and then you can also create some translucent watercolor effect with this brush pen. Now let us see how these brush pens will look on the watercolor paper and what are the effects which we can use with both of these brush pens. To make the swatches of both these, I am using Brustos bleed proof marker pad, because first of all this is like very smooth, and the nibs of the brush pen will not fray if I use this pad. So the paper is very smooth. So I am using this pad and I will be testing all these. Coming to the packaging of both these brush pens, Camlin Student brush pen comes in a normal plastic package, and the 12 shades are here as you can see as follows. But here the 12 shades are a bit different in their pigment. The packaging of Artist brush pen is in a paper box, as you can see over here. So the colors which Camlin Artist brush pen has in the 12 shades is black, burnt umber, burnt sienna, Prussian blue, sky blue, viridian hue, sap green, magenta, crimson, permanent orange, Indian yellow, and lemon yellow. These are the 12 shades which are available in the Camlin's Artist brush pen, but the set of 6 is also available. And these brush pens are also secured by a foam, so you can see this black foam beneath these pens, and I really like the way these brush pens look with the black and one color stripe. So these brush pens look really beautiful when it comes to the looks, rather when compared with the normal brush pens, because these are of single color but these are of dual colors. Now let us see how these brush pens look on the paper, and let us have their swatches. So now we are done with swatches of both these brush pens, and you can clearly see the difference of the Artist brush pen and the Student's brush pens. The main difference between these is being the pigment quality. So the pigment quality of here, this one is a little bit water soluble, but this one is very permanent. You can see the moment you apply the color, it dries. So all the swatches which I did, each stroke is clearly visible, but here every stroke blended. So these colors are a bit translucent, but these colors are very opaque. That is one thing. And then if you want to use a lot of layers in your brush calligraphy, or if you want to use it for a portrait or coloring, Artist brush pens are the best, because these has a very wide range of shades, and plus if you apply layers and layers of these colors on one another, you'll be seeing a beautiful outcome with the Artist brush pen rather than the Student brush pen. Now I'm going to test how these brush pens blend well with water. We'll have this test on both these brush pens, the Artist brush pen and the normal brush pen, and let's see the effect which we'll get. I'm using a 300 GSM cold press paper for the same, and I am using normal clear water to blend these. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I have also made a video where I have compared the 4 most affordable brush pens available in India, that is the Camlin's brush pen, Agile DOMS and the Maped brush pen. You can watch the video, the link will be in the description below. And if you want to purchase any of these materials, the link to purchase will be in the description. Do like, comment and share this video, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.